Parasites, come on my parasite cleanse journey with me. I am doing the Sanctuary Holistic Wellness 10-day cleanse, and I'm freaking out, and I'm excited, and I'm scared, and I'm nervous. Like, what's gonna come out of me? Out of my This kit came with everything I need to have a safe, successful parasite cleanse. And I cannot wait to take you on this journey. So definitely click follow and follow along. I'm going to be educating you on just everything about this that I'm learning. And I know I'm not getting paid for this. I'm not getting paid if you go buy this kit. I'm genuinely sharing this for your health and wellness and education, and just to go on the journey with me. Everybody has parasites. Parasites mean one who eats off the table of another. Parasites are poisonous. They literally feed off of our body, our blood, our cells, and can cause us health problems. If you eat a lot of meat or sushi, you could have a lot of parasites. This cleanse is also a heavy metal cleanse, so I'm super excited for that. Make sure you follow so you don't miss out on my 10-day parasite cleanse.